with only one line. So how do we start somewhere, draw it around without retracing any line more than once? And as I said in the videos before this, we can draw in vertices whenever edges intersect. It's a guideline for us in this problem. You can't always assume that in graph theory, but we can for these problems. And another way of thinking about this problem, as I often do for myself, is to say, okay, imagine that each of these vertices are islands, and that each of the lines or edges between them are bridges. How can I start at one of the islands, cross all the other bridges, right, cross every bridge, get to every island? How can I do that without repeating any bridge? Is it possible? And this is, I think, one of the original problems that was faced many years ago in graph theory. So to help me with that answer, I'm going to label the degree of every vertex, and that's just me labeling the number of edges connecting to that vertex, or the number of bridges connecting to that island. Let's kind of weave my way around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. 2. 3, 4. 3, 4, and 2. And what might jump out at you right away, even if you don't have much experience in graph theory, is that, oh, this vertex and this one right here are the only two that are odd. As we talk about in our videos that break down the theory behind this, it's only possible to have two. You can't have more than that. And in fact, we have to start and finish at one of the odd degreed vertices and thus create our path, right, our walk around here. And that is something we talk about in depth in other videos. If you want to see the rest of this and see how it can be done, hang in there. Otherwise, go back, check it out. Why does that happen? It's a long conversation, but it is very intuitive. So again, I have to start at one odd degreed vertex and end at the other. Let's start here. And I'm just going to trace around, and I'm just meandering. I'm not doing this in a way that's very effective, because I feel like at this point, if you're following along with these videos, this is new to you as well. So play with this problem, have fun with it. Think about it logically, and we're going to come down here. Keep going. Okay, I'm trying to just get the outer periphery. Okay, keep going, coming back to the original island, and then leave that island. Now we're done with that island, right? We can never come back here. This is our finishing island. We came to it once, left it, come up here, right? Working our way around. And it is amazing that we can start and finish at these odd degree vertices. It's such a great guideline. Even if you don't know that, I encourage you to try starting at the other vertices, and maybe you'll discover what you run into each time, right? And now here we're going to finish the loop, and then come back to our island with the odd number of bridges. So we've done it. We've walked all around, and of course there are many other ways to solve this. I just wanted to show you one. Alright, hope you enjoyed.